greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. So a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'm a raincoat with the mindset.
The Road Glide up on the lift today. Getting rid of these junky, plasticky floorboards on both sides for the rider and the passenger. Getting rid of these ugly ones. And we're gonna go and get these CrossThread cycles, MiniBoards for the passenger and those ones for the rider. So I've already got my Allen key, hex key set up, and we're gonna start just wrenching on it, getting this pad off. It should be pretty simple. It's just these little Allen screws here, and the CrossThread cycles boards come with new sets. Oh shit, never mind, it's not gonna be that easy. I need a wrench or a socket on the other side to stop it. How much you want to bet? It's like a 7/16 or smaller. How did I guess that? Boom. That one's out. Come on over there, you. To the trash. We're gonna be at Dickens, aren't we? This is why you have ball Allens. We'll do it this way. Hold that one in place. Unscrew this side. Adios. Good riddance. Where'd that little nut go? There you are, you little shit. Come here. Alright, that side's off. Let's see if we can get this one off too without... Or do I have to take out the saddlebag? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take out the saddlebag, make it easier. The thing about doing this with my helmet on, I do get good audio, better audio. And you hear all that squeakiness? Oh, it's perfect. Great audio. However, I'm literally working on my bike with my helmet on. And it feels like I don't get enough airflow, and I'm just like breathing into the mic. I think it came off, but I don't know where the fuck it flung to. Hopefully, not like I'll need that. And then, well, there's no passenger brakes. Give me a little taparoonie. Boom. Out. One side. Done. Where that snap ring went to? No idea. Either that or just... Oh no, it's right there. Sweet. That's a little bent though. I bet you we can get it back to not being so fuckered if we go the opposite way. Now we're gonna have to take out the other saddlebag. There we go. Freaking frozen on there, I guess. Boom. That one went much easier that time. Now comes the part of tapping the old one out. Boom. Shoop. We'll save everything until we know otherwise. Oh no. I don't even put thread locker on there. That's interesting. I have a feeling that CrossThread cycle knew exactly how wide these or those mounts are for. Come on. Oh, you are just... You CrossThread from the factory or what? Use the wrench the whole time to get you off. Nope, there we go. Bam. Okay. Old floorboards off. New floorboards. Gotta unpack them. Now that's one floorboard on. One mini one on. I might check back in with you guys once I'm actually done with this, because this process is a lot more of just putting everything back together with the old stuff plus the new stuff, so I'll catch back up with you guys once this is all done. Alright, boys and girls, ladies and gents, we're done. Look at those. I had to do some... I'm not really sure. There's not really any instructions with these, and maybe there's instructions online, but you have to use the little shims for the passenger ones to make sure that it actually encloses nicely on the passenger boards. These are actually really easy to get on. They come with a little bit of Loctite, blue Loctite on them. So in the end, that is the finished result with the new CrossThread cycle floorboards. I like the look. I like the red. Looks great. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless.